Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. You're very welcome. And I want to say welcome to my current subscribers as well. Well, you know what, guys? I got my book I ordered last week from Amazon. The Swedish Amazon, actually. And it is this book, 100 Deadly Skills, Survival Edition, written by Clint Emerson, a former Navy SEAL. Well, I can't make any review of this book yet because I haven't read it yet. But after what I have seen in this book, it has a lot of interesting things. Build a tactical nightstand. It might be handy and can be useful, but this book was recommended to me by DieBullFrog79, and he wanted me to order this book, and I take his recommendation and bought it. And I don't know really the reason why he recommended and why I needed this book. But I'm a book nerd, especially when it comes to books like this. So, I believe this is a good book, and Uncle Al, he says it is a really good book, and I take his word for it. So, this book will be interesting reading. No question about it. And I guess I can learn a lot of things from this. So I like the color on the book. Nice pictures on the front side. And we have, of course, the back side. So, well, it has celestial navigation. It's useful and would come in handy when you need it. Solar navigation. I got the angle wrong there. Sorry about that. And it mentions prepare a vehicle go bag. So, I think this is a really good book, and I think I will have a good use of it. And I hope to learn something useful from this. So, I guess that's it for this video. And when I have read it, I promise you guys that I will make a review on this one. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when I upload new videos, okay? So, take care, guys. Stay safe, be prepared, and long live the king. ShadowScoutSwede out.